We all know that a lot of lawyers are corrupt and evil at heart, and they'll just do it for the money. They'll defend the most violent criminal ever just to get a paycheck. And we also know that there are some lawyers that are absolutely incompetent. If you look at the Johnny Depp and Amber Turd trial, the lawyers that Amber Turd had was not good at all. Like she literally was going through lawyers like a revolving door. The person on the left, that's a trans man, so that's a woman trying to be a man. And as you may know, the trans people are known to have certain mental issues that you shouldn't rest a case upon somebody who's like this. Let me just say it like that. And this this person is totally wigging out on the judge. I think that's like lawyer 101. I'm not a lawyer or anything like that. Isn't that like lawyer 101? Like don't make the judge mad at you because you're probably gonna lose the case if the judge is irritated with you.
I pointed you to the exact paragraph.
Stop.
It's her education.
Stop.
Stop because you don't want to hear what the argument is.
Stop. You interrupt me one more time, you are being held in direct contempt of court, and
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
wipe that smirk off.
I don't have a
your face.
smirk on my face.
Oh, yes, you do.
I do not.
I am not going to tolerate this from you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
She got a little attitude like a female, bro. You can do whatever you want to your body. At the end of the day, you're still a female. Like you're still gonna act like one. It's like she's so sassy. Like
You're not letting me make an argument. I'm not red in the face, ma'am. I'm not.
Stop. Our court reporter cannot get what we're both saying.
I am trying to make my argument. You interrupted my argument halfway through.
so, you're sitting there telling the judge what she did wrong. You're the lawyer. You don't you don't get to call the shots when you're the lawyer. I don't. This she is so entitled. Like this is crazy.
This is
On
a
an
panic
objection.
button that will get every available deputy in
Yes,
front of
ma'am. I'm
Tom.
aware. It's happened to
You're
me before.
interrupting. It has.
Yes.
Because you're out of line
Yeah,
with courts.
I guess so.
Okay. If I push that
Or maybe
button,
because I'm a transgender attorney practicing all over this state.
There we go. There we go. That's why this person is so emboldened to talk to the judge like that. I can say and do whatever I want. I'm trans. It's crazy, man.
what you
You
are.
do, ma'am. It's not. You do.
I don't know whether
You do,
you're
ma'am. You do. You
Other
do.
And she's calling you sir. She's going by your pronouns, by the way. How is she hating you because you're trans? See? You can never, ever satisfy these people. They're crazy. You can't satisfy them.
than you have just now
No,
advised me,
ma'am,
and
you
that
do.
doesn't have
You
anything
do.
to do
It's
with
happened when we
anything.
talked on the phone.
This is crazy, bro.
That wasn't talking, let me tell you. You were entirely inappropriate.
You were yelling at me.
And the-
I
and
did
the
not
judge
even
is
know
being-
you were the judge.
The judge is sounding very lenient, like she's talking to her like a child.
And I didn't
That's who
know
this
you
is, a
from
child.
Adam
I
at
said
that
my name
point.
is Rob Hopkins. I'm
Which
an
doesn't
attorney
mean
in
anything.
Oklahoma City.
No, sir, you did
Oklahoma,
Okay.
that's where they're
not.
at.
Okay,
There's no one there to know that, right?
okay. So we are pausing this.
So we're going to
Please.
pause the hearing on jurisdiction that's been set twice. I drove an hour and a half to have the hearing. My client's available telephonically, and we are simply not even taking testimony.
Is your client available telephonically?
Yes, ma'am.
today?
Yes,
Boo-hoo. I have to drive over here an hour and a half. You're charging her to be there, though. You're charging her to defend this lady and her kids, which clearly she chose the wrong lawyer. I'd be, oh my gosh, dude. That would suck. That would suck if this happened to anybody.
ma'am.
Well, then get her on the phone.
Thank you.
Your Honor, to which we would object.
I guarantee, if this wasn't a trans person, that if it was just a normal guy or a normal woman, they would have been arrested already. The judge is letting this trans person sit here and talk to her like that solely because it's a trans person. That's it. That's the only reason. If it was any other gender that wasn't trans, she would have done arrest him already. It's crazy.
This is as clear as the nose on my face that this woman will not appear before this court because she has a warrant for stealing her
Objection,
children
you're
from
saying
another
that's
court.
not true. And you're ready
You
to
will
say,
find, sir,
don't
that you
come at
cannot
me and
speak over me.
or shout at me.
I'm not putting notes right
No, we're stopping.
Even the judge is like, I'm done. I'm done with you children. It's crazy. This is a judge too. What Oklahoma's crazy. It's a clown central over there. You could just disrespect the judge like that and she doesn't even do anything, just throws her hands up and walks away. You guys can go fight outside. I'm gonna go take a cigarette break.
Get out of my face, sir.
And now they're gonna fight each other now.
Get out of my face. Why?
Because you're in direct contempt of court.
He shouted at me. No, I'm not being. You didn't
Finally,
even say that I was
finally, the
wrong.
judge does something.
No, I'm not
Judge,
doing
I
my stuff.
apologize, but I felt very threatened by this person. The screaming and the yelling in court, I've never even heard that before in this courtroom.
Crazy.
Do not hurt me. Do not hurt me.
Your hands behind your back.
Do not. You're throwing me over this.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Okay, put your hands behind your back, stop resisting.
You know exactly what's
Why
happening.
don't you all walk that way sometime?
I can't walk. I'm being thrown down.
Settle down.
What?
Walk that way.
Settle
Now
down.
you're gonna get
Do
thrown
not
down.
grab me. Do not grab me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, this is crazy, bro.
You're hurting me. You just hit me. You just hit me. You just hit me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Stop resisting, then. Oh my gosh, bro. If you can't breathe, you can't talk. If you were getting choked out, you couldn't even talk. You can't. It's impossible. You have to use your freaking throat to make the words come out. And there was a follow-up video when this happened after the attorney made like a TikTok talking about what happened.
But ultimately, at this time, it is the right move for me to step away. As many of you all heard, there was an incident that took place in another county.
How are you a lawyer and you keep on saying that when you go to college they have speech classes, like they have these classes where you go and give presentations. I think this person skipped that class.
A rural county, and there are more details of that incident, and I can't release that at this time. And being as that, I believe that I first have grounds for discrimination lawsuit there in that county. And
Good luck.
But for my physical safety at this time, it's best that I step away.
Your physical safety. It's the never ending with these people, guys. I'm telling you, these trans people, it's a never ending. You cannot satisfy them. They just hate everything.
And for my family's physical safety, it's best that I step away.
And your family's physical safety too. That's crazy. Not just being trans. The whole family is gonna get mobbed by a bunch of KKK members now. And here's another little angle of the situation that happened. The body cam footage. Go ahead and check it out.
Alright, we're gonna pick you up. We're on your
No,
side.
no, I don't. Get a female officer now. Get a female officer now.
Get up.
Get a female officer now.
Why? You're a man, right? Why do you need a female officer if you're a man?
Alright, Kenny. Get up.
I can't get up. I can't see. He just threw my glasses. I can't see. Give me my glasses. Put them on my face. Put them on my face. I cannot see.
Get up.
Put them on my face.
Go.
Please give me my glasses. I cannot see. I'm trying to walk and I cannot see.
Look at that, man. Look at all the. And I guarantee all of them are freaking liberals too. I bet you all of them voted for Kamala Harris too. Just saying. I don't want to discriminate because they're all white and they're in a liberal area. But this is what y'all voted for. Look at that. Look at this person. This is who you all voted for.
I need my wallet.
Judge said take him to jail for contempt of court.
This transgender person just FA and FO'd. You know, they're so entitled. I'm telling you guys. A lot of transgender people are entitled. They think they can do whatever the heck they want. That era is over. I hope that a lot of people wake up to this crap too and stop defending it. Stop defending this nonsense. So I thought this was crazy, and I also heard that the business failed and is closed now. So I guess they were on their last leg. This is probably not the first time this happened, and that's what happens when you're a crappy lawyer. Like I said, it's just like lawyer 101. Don't make the judge mad. You broke the golden rule, and I I wouldn't be surprised if that lady never sees her kids ever again. But what do you guys think about this video? I thought this was freaking hilarious. That when she got arrested, she's like, "I can't breathe, I can't breathe." That was funny. That was entertaining. It's just a clown show. This whole thing was entertaining. I'm pretty sure everybody there were watching this like it was a sitcom. Anyway, what do you guys think? Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you go ahead and comment on this video, let me know what you think about it. Hype up the video. Let people know about this crazy person. Don't have a lawyer like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.